Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you in case you have a GE oven and the door won't open because the lock is stuck on, and what can you do about it? The first thing you can do about it is, it might be locked because it hasn't cooled down yet, so just let it cool down completely to room temperature before you start to freak out, and see if it will unlock. The next thing you can do is you can try to do it by turning on a self-cleaning cycle, and then turning it off as soon as it starts and waiting about 30 seconds. Basically turning the oven on and then turning it back off and see if that gets the thing unlocked. If that doesn't happen, if there's nothing in it, you can go ahead and run like a self-clean cycle, and then once that's done, see if it will open. The next thing you can do if that doesn't work is just try resetting the oven by cutting power off to it by either unplugging it or turning it off at the circuit. Leave it off for like a minute or two, then plug it back in and see if it opens up. And then if that doesn't work, there might be something more seriously wrong with your oven and you need to have it checked. But hopefully one of those things will get the door unlocked. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.